It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Limited Elevation. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Elevation Edition. The driver's door has power door locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel, we have the trailer dial. By turning that dial to the right, we have various drive modes appear on the dash. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials with a park brake just below. All-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and a cloth interior. Next, I'll hop in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons, and on the right side we have the audio controls and Bluetooth command. This is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, we have some interior light buttons and OnStar. This is GMC's Infotainment Center equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time, and it also doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. And to the right here, we have hitch guidance. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, hill descent control, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, some USB ports and power plug-in. This is our engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake while pushing the button to start the truck. At the front of the Elevation, there are black tow hooks, blacked out GMC emblem, fog lights, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood, rear tinted windows, keyless entry on the door handles, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Running boards down below. As we make our way to the back, you'll notice this truck comes with the X31 Offroad Package. It's got all-terrain tires, off-road suspension, hill descent control, a 2-speed transfer case, dual exhaust, and a high-capacity air filter. This is our CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps are found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GMC's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob, push that button twice to drop the tailgate down. It also has GMC's MultiPro tailgate step, so by pushing 2 additional buttons, we're able to drop that tailgate step down with ease. The box of the truck has 12 cargo hooks and LED box lighting. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. You'll notice there's lots of head and leg room for those passengers riding in the back. The passenger door has power windows, wood trim, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got cloth seat pockets. The back of the center console has dual cup holders, the rear fans, some USB ports and power plug-in, all-weather floor mats on the floor. The middle seat here folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We also have behind the seat storage located behind either of the rear seats, along with under seat storage accessible by simply lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Limited Elevation, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.